Hello everybody, how are you doing today? I'm Margaret Marie and welcome to my channel. What I'm doing for this video is a review on two products from the iMethod Beauty Company. What I have is two of the iMethod Eyebrow and Stencil Stamp Kits. I'm going to give a brief description on each one and then I'm going to try this one on this eyebrow and the other one on the other eyebrow. iMethod Beauty Company has been reaching out to me lately to try some of their products. So far, I've been very pleased with the products that they have sent me. They've all worked out really good. And what I really like about this company is that they are 100% vegan, they're cruelty-free, and they're wallet-friendly. I'd also like to mention that both of these are silicone-based products. What I'm going to do is start with this Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kit. This Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kit usually retails for $30, but right now I notice that they're having a sale for $19.97. These Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kits come in 8 shades. I have the shade 03. Okay, now what I'm going to do is open it up and show you what's inside. Open it up and everything comes in this reusable pouch. All right, so you open it up and they first give you a little sponge applicator to apply it with. They also give you a double-sided spoolie where you have a spoolie on one side and then you have this little brush on the other side. That way you can comb your eyebrows before application or comb them afterwards. What you get in here is this iMethod pomade. The next thing they give you are these stencils. You have one for your left eyebrow and one for your right eyebrow. All right, get it opened up, and when you're done, you can store the rest of your stencils in this reusable little bag. Okay, so you take them out and you get stencils labeled from number 1 to number 5. So what you do is you find the one that matches your eyebrow, take out the little plastic insert, and then what you would do is match it to your eye. See if that fits. I think maybe a little bigger, so go up to the next size. Okay, so it looks like number 2 will be the size that I'll be using. Okay, and also in the little bag, you have this little instruction like booklet kit. I'm going to read to you what it said. It starts with telling you how to determine your brow shape. And then over here it says the perfect way to perfect brows. And it has instruction. Okay, so it has some pro tips and then some frequently asked questions. And then of course they have their customer service where everything that they sell is guaranteed. You don't have to return it and they will send you a replacement one. All right, so now I'm ready to try this on the left eyebrow. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is brush up my eyebrow a little bit and just kind of get it into shape. All right, so I'm going to take the brush and dip it into the pomade. Like that. I guess get about that much on or so. Okay, so I've got it on there and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the pomade. Take it off. And there it is. Now I'm going to comb it out with the spoolie. If you want more definition, you can always dip this side into the pomade, get a little on there, and then you can do a little extra shaping like this. And then take the other side and just comb it all up like this. Okay, so that eyebrow is done and look at how quick that was. It was so fast, so easy. It looks like it deposited just the right amount of color. Everything looks filled in. I really like this. All right, now let's check out the other Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kit from iMethod. This one comes in 8 shades and it retails for $25. I also noticed with this one, it is on sale on the iMethod website for $18. So let's open it up. And inside, the product is a little bit different with this one. This comes in a tube and the product is inside of the lid. And then of course you have your little sponge and that is how you would store it. And with this one as well, you also get the stencils for your left and your right side. But I noticed with these stencils, these are way softer and you get more of them. If you need a variety of sizes, this might be the one for you to choose because this has way more of these little soft plastic stencils in them. So you have more of an option of sizes. With this kit, you get 2 spoolies with the double-ended side. You get the spoolies on one side and the brush on the other. And I've got the product on the sponge and ready to go. So I'm going to get the eyebrow stencil on there. Okay, and get it on there and I'm going to hold it with my thumb and forefinger to get it in place. Okay, and there is the powder. All right, let's get it on there. Looks very, very pigmented. All right, and then just at the tip. And there you go. Now I'm just brushing it out with the spoolie. All done. All right, so that took all of what, 5 seconds to do? That was so fast and so easy. I'm just blown away. This is truly a game changer when it comes to trying to get your eyebrow product placement correctly on your eyebrows. Either one of these products are really going to help you get your eyebrows on quicker, faster, fill them in more perfectly, and you'll get the flawless eyebrow look that you like every time. Okay, so that is my review on the iMethod Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kits. You guys all have a really good rest of your day. You take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.